Hi everyone and welcome back to my morning report chart appraisals on Thursday the 26th of March with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Tantech Markets. Let's move on to dollar yen now, and there has been a significant shift into safe haven assets, and that has certainly benefited the yen today. And we're seeing this big breakdown. That uptrend that we've had in place since mid-Jan has now been broken fairly decisively, and the technical aspect of this chart is beginning to weaken. I've just highlighted the 89-hour moving average, and 89-day moving average, and you've not been below that since August. And this is now a big breakdown, I think, on this chart. It's a very important move that sort of just reflects this choppy trading range that we've had over the past few months. Really, I think it's going to continue to be that way. I think you're going to come back and test some supports in that move. I'm looking at immediately at the Fibonacci level, 117.90, which is the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement of the move from that low that we got at 105.18 up towards the high at 121.84. So the 23.6% fib level of that is 117.90 that it seems to be coming back towards now. You might see a little bit of consolidation around that sort of level, but it certainly looks like the outlook is deteriorating. Now, interesting here, because I've got on the hourly chart this I highlighted yesterday or recently the 119.40 level. And here we see the consolidation coming at the moment around this 118.30 support, and that is the where sort of initially that this dollar yen sell-off has gone back to. The trouble is, if we break down through that level, you're then looking at these sort of support band that we got here from sort of early February, up from the lower 1665, but you're sort of looking at 1760 as a level that coming in, little bit of a resistance there before that big breakout, but also 17 figure as well. So it just looks like we've got some key levels that we're still going to be coming back to test within this 18 big figure, a little bit of support as well. So some between 1665 and 18 big figure, there's sort of quite a lot of congestion support for the dollar yen to come back into, but it certainly looks like it is retreating now. And it looks as though we're going to get some further correction within this move. Momentum indicators on the daily chart are pretty much in negative configuration now, or certainly corrective configuration. You've got the RSI dropping back into the mid-30s. Now the January correction, which was fairly sharp move that got to 36. Now we're sort of back to those sort of levels now on the RSI. Stochastics as well into negative configuration as well, so it's pretty corrective now, this dollar yen chart. And as I said, I think it's sort of you're sort of playing out a bit of a near term decline, and I would say that you're probably now going to come back into a situation where dollar yen is going to be sort of on a medium term basis is going to be seeing a fairly choppy series of trading, sort of like almost like a trading range, and you're sort of now within that trading range, so you're selling within that range. The key support's obviously coming around the 16 big figure mark on this chart. 1550 is the 38.2%. That was hit pretty much to the pip, and then between that, so 1550 towards 16 big figure, it seems to be a basis of support, and it certainly looks like we're sort of playing this range now. So that's could be an area that where sort of in the near to medium term we're coming back towards. Could be fairly choppy still. Obviously this dollar trade, this dollar correction trade is not helping this chart at all, and also the safe haven flow. So two things working against dollar yen today, which is driving the price weakness. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today on dollar yen, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.